Welcome to the download.
Downloading.
Hi, I'm Elijah. Welcome to the download. Today, we're taking a look at a Waymark template collection designed for straightforward fundamental video making, the Basics collection. To find the Basics collection, head over to the templates page from any other page. Once you're there, hover over our categories on the left-hand side where you will find the Basics collection listed amongst all of our other categories. Let's click this and take a look at what this collection has to offer. Wow, so based on the thumbnails, you will see a quick overview of your options for each template. Already you see tons of templates set up with basic intros and tags and containing set video slots, each video slot set to a uniformed length. So for example, in this template based on the thumbnail, you have an intro, a 10-second video slot, another 10-second video slot, and a tag. Let's say I had a good amount of B-roll that I want to show for most of the video, and I also want to have a simple intro and tag. I'd click this template or any others like it. Something to note is almost all the templates in the Basics collection are mostly for footage assets, but there are some smaller templates in this collection with just an intro or a tag if you want something even more quick and simple. Alright, I've talked enough, so let's click into one of these and see what we can play with. We are in the editor now. On the right hand side, you have all these placeholders that can switch on or off, along with your set footage slots. Each of these placeholders have their own unique optionality, so there's tons of styles to choose from. One of my favorite placeholders in the Basics collection are the transitions. Here you have the option of different transition styles. Look, it's so cool to have these. Ooh, I like that one. And each of these offer the same options for creative customization. You don't like that transition color? No problem. Heading over to the Colors tab will take care of that. Simply attach your brand here to generate your video within the template, or upload all your assets in the slots here. Alright, let's take a look at an example video created with the Basics collection.
In a world that never stops, there's a call you can't ignore. It comes from ancient forests, pristine lakes, and snow-capped peaks. We understand. We feel it too. For over 50 years, we've walked these paths, driven by a love for nature and those who seek it. Our iconic Swedish designs are crafted from sustainable sources and built to withstand whatever path you choose. Your path, our passion. Fjällräven.
Bravo! That's just one example of the potential the Basics collection has. So, head over to this collection now and create your own simple yet high quality video in just minutes. Have fun!
Downloading.